When we have our elderly parents visiting us, one challenge we have is with this bathtub. For them to use this comes with a risk of injury, risk of fall, and we don't want that to happen. So I'll tell you 3 ways through which you can make sure that they are safe and you have peace of mind. The first one is, of course, the expensive but a long-term solution. That is to get this changed forever with a shower cubicle. It's going to be expensive because you'll have to rip open this bathtub and replace this with the shower cubicle, and your drywall need to go, your bathtub need to go, your tiles need to go, and it's a great amount of work. But again, once it is done, it is a long-term solution. Now, you don't want to do this option and you are only looking for temporary option. The second option is going for a bathtub handle, and these bathtub handle you can get online. I'm sharing the link to all the resources so that you don't have to go and figure out. So by using those bath handle, that's going to give them a safe entry and exit to the bathtub. Also, if you're going to make use of this method, make sure that the bathtub has a good rubber mat, and that's going to give extra safety when they're taking shower. So this is the second method. Third method is to have a transfer bench. Basically, this is used by people who have injuries or who don't have good mobility with their knee and hip. And here, all you need to do is install this. This is a temporary fixture, and once this is installed, you can get in and get out much more comfortably than if you have to get in and get out using the bathtub handle. And this is much more safer. With this method, the challenge will be that you will have to do few adjustments to your shower curtain to ensure that the water spillage does not happen outside the bathtub. The small fix here is that you cut your shower curtain. I'm sharing a video demonstration. The link to the YouTube video is in the description. She has explained beautifully. Only thing is that in addition to that, make sure that the cut portion is secured with a good tape, and that's going to give longevity to the curtain. So friends, let me know which method will you be using, and also in case you like this video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.